Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw an umbrella and rainbow hearts. First, I'm drawing half circle. I connect with curved line. Trying to draw and paint with me. I'm drawing lines to make 7 parts. I love drawing and painting so much. I'm drawing handle. Let's draw a heart on the top. Finally, I'm going to draw 6 hearts on the left and right. I'm going to paint with rainbow colors. Great job! Now I use this marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint. Red. I start with red. The second is orange. Followed by yellow. Green. Blue. It's going to be a beautiful umbrella. Purple. Amazing. Pink. Umbrella will protect you from rain and sunlight. It's so useful. Brown. Red. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Keeping umbrella is a good habit. Purple. It looks so great. See you on the next video.